this real-world example, this 23-foot boat has a slow idle trolling speed of about 3.2 miles per hour. As you can see in the underwater video, when the TrollBuddy trolling plate is in the up position, it's not restricting the thrust from the motor. By lowering the trolling plate with the easy-to-use microprocessor control, it slows the boat down by deflecting the prop thrust downward. As the momentum of the boat gradually slows down, you can see the trolling speed slows to a mere 1.1 miles per hour. The motor idle speed is unaffected, yet TrollBuddy allows you to dial in your desired trolling speed to match what's best for the fish you're targeting. So in this case, we can adjust the trolling speed from 3.4 miles per hour down to nearly 1 mile per hour and any speed in between with just the press of a button. The LEDs show you an indication of your trolling plate position, so you can repeat your favorite trolling speed every time you go out. And the auto up and down buttons fully retract or fully deploy the TrollBuddy plate with a single touch. So at the end of the day, when you're done trolling and ready to head home, simply press the auto up button and TrollBuddy retracts. Be sure to always fully retract the TrollBuddy trolling plate before increasing your motor speed above idling. With all the functionality and adjustability we built into TrollBuddy, it's sure to help you catch more fish. Thank you for choosing TrollBuddy.